Bird Flying in the Rain by Oksana Austin. I see a bird flying in the rain, not the pouring rain, but the sky presses heavily against the hills on the horizon, and the windshield wipers chase the drizzle with the persistence of a metronome. The bird struggles visibly. Her body must be the size of my heart under the damp plumage. I can feel her effort against the unusual burden and the confusion of things that don't work. What urgency forced her from a safe cover into this untimely flight?